Hi, Darren Hall here from tradinghorses.com. Okay, we've got 3 minutes before this race here over at Roscommon. We're just going to see what we can do in a slightly less liquid market, because obviously a lot of the racing we do is the standard UK racing. This is an Irish race on a Tuesday evening. We're just going to see if we can actually pick up any very quick scalps on the market. We can see here we've got the traffic lights going both ways here, so we're just looking at a decent entry point to get in. And we're going to look at the favourite there and see if we can actually get a back bet. Just missed that one. Actually, there we're trying to get in at 3.8. We're just trying to get a one tick scalp here with the actual software. There we go. We've got our first trade away there. We can see we've got lay ones which are actually coming up on this side as well, and we've got the book reversed here, so we're just laying at the back price and backing at the lay price. But you'll see obviously much sort of smaller figures in here in terms of what you normally see in the general UK racing markets that we see. But we're just going to go in and just sort of prove the theory in terms of the signals that the actual software is giving us. And like I say, we're just trying to take one tick at a time here, just by backing at the lay price and laying at the back price, or vice versa. Basically, as soon as an order is matched within the software, it will automatically trigger the reverse bet. So you can see there we've got well, 3 successful bets now. Looking like this is suggesting that it's still going to continue to be a lay. So just obviously mindful of the clock now. We're coming up for the last minute or so before the start of the race. But we can see here that the indicator's been in full flow. Some of these are slightly higher odds. I'm not really bothering those at the moment because I'm only on very small £25 liability stakes, so it'd be sort of micro stakes really on those sort of figures. So we're just concentrating maybe on the top 5 in the market and seeing if we're getting any signals really for those. Once we get above 20, then certainly for the stakes I'm using, it's not really worth getting involved with at the moment. So we're just keeping an eye out, see if we get any more triggers. Under a minute to go now though, before the actual start of the race. But we can see there that, you know, we've already picked up some very quick profits there, just as I say, backing and laying, judging by the signals that we're actually getting shown there. You can see we've got one more in there. Okay, so we're coming up to the beginning of the race, so I just want to show you that because it's just an example again of perhaps markets you wouldn't normally consider. But we can see now we're sort of up to 170,000, but you know, generally that's pretty low liquidity. But we've again got some triggers and some signals highlighted by the software, and that's actually enabled us to go in and make some successful trades. And if we actually go in, we've got a lay bet which is still sat there, we'll just cancel that. But if we go down here into our match bets column, we can see there each of the ones, actually £50 liability that we've actually had on those. So you can see we made one successful trade there, one there, and then another 2 there. And you can see where we've just been backing one tick higher than the actual lay price. All very quick and simple. There we go, we've made 95p in the time that I've actually been talking. So we can just green that out, hedge that across all the runners. Once it gets matched, then as I say, that's the job done, and we move on to the next race. Okay, thanks, speak to you again soon.